Find the values of A and B if A and B are all real numbers. If -3 and -4 are zeros of that, find the values by hand. We're not going to do the CAS calculator method because in exam mode you cannot do it. This is pretty easy because we know that if -3 is a 0, that means if P at -3 is, and I substitute in the place of Z -3, it will give us A -3 to the power 4 plus 28 times -3 to the power 3, 49 minus 3 squared plus B, and I know this equals 0 because -3 is a 0, which means if I substitute it, my answer is 0. I'm going to simplify that straight away. That's going to give me -3 to the power 4 is negative times a negative times a negative 4 times is positive. 3 cubed is 81, so it's 81A. Minus 3 cubed times 8 minus 3 squared times 49 added together gives us minus 308 plus B. And I know that this equals 0. I have one equation with two unknown values. I also know that -4. So if I -4 in there, I'm going to have A times -4 to the power 4 plus 28 multiplied by minus 4 cubed plus 49 minus 4 squared plus B. And I also know, because that's a 0, that this will give me a 0. Simplify that, minus 4 will give us 256A. Simplify that and that, negative 0.101, and I have plus B. And I know that this is 0. Now, if this equation 1 equals 0 and equation 2 equals 0, well, then they must be equal. Or I can write them underneath each other and say, if I take 1 and I subtract 2 from that, what's going to happen? Or let's do it the other way around, just to make it easier. I'm going to say take 2 and I'm going to subtract 1. So I'm going to say 256, take a 1 away, 81, and that will give me 175A. Minus 101, take away 308, take away negative becomes positive. That will give us negative 693. And then B, take away B is 0. I got rid of my one unknown, and therefore A equals plus 693 divided by 175, and that gives us 3.96. I substitute this into either 1 or 2, and I find then the value of B, and the value of B is negative 12.76. Okay, so that's the values of A and B.